captain shouts and takes command between the East Coast and the West. Which pirate's version is the best? Ghostly whispers through the sails, empty sockets tell their tales. Moonlight reveals them in detail, traveling the sea through storm and gale. Heave away somewhere lost in the dark. In the night they leave their mark. Look ahead, ship to embark, sailing through water black and stark. Sleepless nights, a frozen storm, icy ocean, nightmares form. Lost in shadows, away from warm, pillage and plunder without reform. Echoes of life in a dead man's song, home's a memory way too long. Once were proud, now all gone wrong, in this ocean's where they belong. Ships and a rotting deck, souls are tattered, spirits wrecked. They ride upon the dark abyss, days in the sun they sometimes miss. Heave away somewhere lost in the dark. In the night they leave their mark. Look ahead, ship to embark, sailing through water black and stark. Heave away somewhere